a Pelican airplane. It's a 3-blade warp drive prop on it. I've got these sponges here just to keep the birds out of there and stuff. So it's kind of dusty again here now. The windshield was new, I think, if I remember right, 2015. When I went in the lake with it there, it cracked this top corner here, and so I didn't want to replace it. It's still nice and clear. Stitch that up there. As I look inside, there's the back float fittings, and there's the other parts that go on the floats have those too, and then the front float fitting just goes in where the wheel gear comes off of, and that's a ski tie point there and there. Inside here, the upholstery is in pretty good shape. And then the cargo, I had this stuff stored in here, all the flashings and that for around the wing roots and that. There's the floor, the back of it there, the bulkhead partition. Right side window, the storage. Left side window, the storage. Now it's just the antenna wires there on the ceiling. These are the gauges. Air vents, radios. Brakes and rudders are all together. Both sides. Floor, right side. Floor on the left side. Stick on both sides, push to talk. Back outside again. This is where it was hurt on the side. It went in the lake there, and it's got I changed that once it was patched. I put a new piece of decal over that, but I didn't change the front piece there. skylight windows. The side windows are probably like a 5 out of 10 or something. They've got some weather checking in them. I take those air vents over there for in winter flying. Float mount, rear float mount there. Ski mount, and front rigging removes and the other mount goes there.